Hey guys, this is Gracie and welcome to. Sorry about that notification right there. So, anyway, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys about Roblox Studio and how it works and how you can code in it. So, this is the game. You can see we got an empty base plate. And these are the tabs and everything. You'll need the toolbox, the output, the command, explore, and properties on there. If you don't know how to get that, go to window right here and make sure the toolbox, the properties, the explorer, and the output are checked. And then as you go to script, say command, make sure command bar is there. Perfect. And now, yep, and so as you look at properties on the base plate, you could change its brick color, its material, transparency, all kinds of stuff on there. So let's say if you want to change, so, oh yeah, and go to server script service and insert a script. And you can see that it automatically prints out hello world. If we run it, it says hello world. We can also print out other things like a number. So I'll hit enter and write print for time or say. And let's run and see what it says. It says hello world in 16. Alright, and now yeah, printing is for when you test stuff to find any bugs in your game, but that's later on in the future episode. So we can change, let's say you want to change the base plate color and material. So all you do is say game.workspace dot base plate dot brick color equals brick color dot, I'll change it to blue for example, and then I'll say game.workspace.baseplate.material equals enum dot material dot whatever. I'm gonna change it to ice. All right, just like that. And if we run, You can see the base plate is blue and it's on an ice material. Now, instead of running game.workspace.baseplate.Sutton, we can make a variable for them. So we start off with typing local and then base plate color equals brick color dot blue, and then local base plate material equals enum dot material dot ice. Oh yeah, and we need to make a variable for the base plates. So local base plate equals game dot workspace dot base plate. And now that we have these variables, we can say base plate dot brick color equals base plate color, and then base plate dot material equals base plate material. Now if we run it, still does the same thing. Neat. Alright. Now, let's say you want to do a day and night cycle in your game. So what we do is we say local lighting equals game dot lighting, and then local minutes after midnight equals 0, and then local wait time equals 0.1, and then we can say local add equals 1. Alright. And we can make a loop for it. Alright. So if we say while true do, then we'll say lighting colons, then set minutes after midnight, and then minutes after midnight, and then we'll say minutes after midnight equals minutes after midnight plus add, and then wait will be wait time. Let's run it and see what happens. And as you can see, we have a working day and night cycle. So let's watch and see. Yep, just like that. And we can even make a now let's say you want an NPC in your game. So all you do is go to character. I'm going to choose Femine and then mesh actually, and go character, my avatar, and then rename your rig. I'll just say Gracie the Great Magic. And you can see all the properties inside of it. And we can get in our 15 animations. So if we go to Toolbox and search R15 animation. Select this one, delete that one, put it inside of Gracie the Great Magic, and it should animate your character. Now let's say you want to make your NPC walk to a part. So we insert a part, and we'll scale it, and I'll make it invisible and make sure Can Collide is unticked. I'll rename that part to walk to point. So what we do is we say local Gracie the Great Magic equals the game dot workspace dot Gracie the Great Magic, and then we'll say walk to point equals game dot workspace dot walk to point. And then we'll say Gracie the Great Magic dot humanoid and move to walk to point dot position. And then we say Gracie the Great Magic dot humanoid dot move to finish column. Wait. And we'll wait 10 seconds. And then I'll add a wait 2. Let's see what happens. We're waiting. And there she goes. Perfect. Now let's say we add another walk to point. So I right click, select the touch walk to point, duplicate, set right here. Now rename it to walk 2.1 and then duplicate again and then rename that one to walk 2.2 and then duplicate again and name that to walk 2.3. And maybe we can even loop it. Oh yeah, let me make the variables. Let's say local walk 2.1 equals game dot workspace dot walk 2.1 local walk 2.2 equals to game dot workspace dot walk 2.2 and then local walk 2.3 equals game dot workspace dot walk 2.3. And now and then underneath this wait 10 we'll do while true do and then tab these and add an end right there. And then we'll say Gracie the Great Magic dot humanoid move to walk 2.1 dot position, then Gracie the Great Magic dot humanoid dot move to finish colon wait, then Gracie the Great Magic dot humanoid move to walk 2.2 dot position, Gracie's Great Magic dot humanoid dot move to finish colon wait, and then Gracie's Great Magic dot humanoid move to walk 2.3 dot position, then Gracie's Great Magic dot humanoid dot move to finish colon wait. And now if we run it, let's see what happens. And there she goes. She stops there and keeps going. Yep, perfect. Now I'll delete these because we don't. They're just an example. I'll delete all this. And yeah, I think that should be good for today's tutorial video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I will share more Roblox Studio tutorial videos in the future. So thanks for watching. Bye.